ये तो सबको पता है. अब डेल्टा H इक्वल टू MC डेल्टा T. Now do this question. Get question. वो theory हो गया. Just read this.
सर DA का है सर इसमें kg per
Dry air. kg per of dry air. DM is dry air. Means don't इसको देखो मत. kg kilojoule per kg of dry air. Means only this is the unit. Means what is given? Air stream having enthalpy of delta H. Means air is given which has some enthalpy. Enthalpy energy. Energy कितना है in terms of kilojoule per kg. Okay. And is shown that flowing at 20 kg per second.
per second.
20 kg per second is the flowing rate. It's cooled by water at temperature 10 degrees Celsius. Means water is used to cool the air from to reduce the enthalpy, you can say. Circulating in a cooling air of flow rate means this is the quantity of flow of water, that is 10 liter per second. If the return temperature of the water is 20 degrees Celsius, means T1 is 10 degrees Celsius, T2 is 20 degrees Celsius. Enthalpy of the cooled air means whatever the air, what is the delta H, enthalpy of air after cooling. Okay. Everyone write this question, means at least value.
सर 20 kg के बाद से पहले का DM का सर.
DM is dry air. DM is dry air. Means don't see this. Means here it is given that air is dry. But means DM is.
Yes sir, thank you.
Write the data. I will show you how to solve this. Everyone, have you written the question?
Yes sir.
Okay. I am giving one more minute. Write this question.
Yes sir.
Okay. Let's see. This is the question. This is the air. This is the air cooler. Let's say this is the cooler. Okay. Which has two inlets, one for the air and one for the water. Water is used to cool the air and outlet air and outlet water. Okay. Now, what is the delta H initial?
100 kilojoule per kg.
100 kilojoule per kg. Okay. How much the quantity?
20 kg per second.
20
kg per second. Okay. Quantity will remain same. Any doubt here?
No sir.
Quantity will remain same. Okay. What is the temperature of water initial?
10 degrees Celsius.
Initial. Final temperature?
20 degrees
20
Celsius.
degrees.
20 degrees Celsius. Okay. And what is the quantity initially? Flowing?
10 meter.
10 liter
10.01 second.
Liter
10
per
liter.
second.
10 liter and final
10 liter
उतना ही
per second.
10.01 liter.
ओके लेट्स से 10 इतना कर लेते हैं ठीक है लेट्स से इट्स 10 यहाँ तक किसी को डाउट है
नहीं सर
now what this cooler will act as this will act as a heat exchanger okay what this means there is a rise of temperature of water
Yes, sir.
means heat is given to the water delta T W क्या हुआ increase हुआ है
Yes, sir.
a body temperature will increase when heat is provided let's say delta H is given where this heat comes from
From 2 years.
where this heat comes from which rise the temperature इस water का temperature 10 degree से 20 degree Celsius हुआ means there is some delta H heat where this delta H come from
Dry air, sir.
yeah dry air
Yeah.
means this dry air पहले hot था
That's good.
earlier it was hot after it becomes cool means it releases some
Heat.
ये hot से cool जाने में क्या होता है हीट लगेगा या हीट रिलीज करना पड़ेगा
It release करना पड़ेगा.
Dry air का heat जो release होगा ही, sir.
yeah delta H release the heat that is released by air delta H जो released by air is equal to this air delta H given to the water
Only
the
10 degrees Celsius.
whatever the energy is released by air will be taken to the by the water means air से
Water.
water में transfer हो जाएगा energy and what is the delta H
10 degrees. Yes, sir. Delta H.
Delta
MC delta T.
MC delta T what is unknown and what is known here just tell me in this equation क्या पता है क्या unknown है क्या unknown है क्या known है
M.
Sir, delta T आपको पता है, sir?
yes M is known what is M
Yeah. 1 kg. Yes.
here it is given as 10 liter per second but you know that water का density कितना होता है
1 होता है, sir.
1000 होता है.
डेंसिटी तो 1 रहता है वो सीधा 10 लीटर से आप इसको हेलो सर
हेलो डेंसिटी 1 होता है तो 10 kg पर सेकेंड हो जाएगा एनी डाउट 1 लीटर में कितना kg होता है
सर
1 kg
केजी लगभग होता है सर
वाटर वाटर का डेंसिटी 1 होता है,
1 kg.
1 kg. Then 10 liter will be act as 10 kg. What is C? C given in the question. What is C given in the question?
4.18.
4.1.
4.18. How much unit? What is the unit?
kg per kilogram. kj मतलब किलो जूल पर किलोग्राम डिग्री सेल्सियस.
Kilojoule
पर
per
किलोग्राम.
kilogram per
किलोग्राम
degree
डिग्री
Celsius.
सेल्सियस.
Okay. What is the delta T? Change in temperature of water.
10 डिग्री सेल्सियस आणि
Is
10 ही होगा सर.
yeah. Final 20.
Difference.
Initial 10 into 10. What is the value here? 418 kilojoule.
हाँ.
Means what is the value of delta H?
100.
100.
नहीं.
418.
लिखा तो 418.
418 सर.
418.
हाँ.
What is its value? Kilojoule. Okay. Now we said that delta H ये वाटर का था, तो सेम फॉर द एयर होगा. एयर के लिए भी
Yes,
सेम
sir.
होगा. मीन्स
Sure,
डेल्टा एच इनिशियल माइनस डेल्टा एच फाइनल जो होगा वो 418 किलो जूल होगा. ठीक है. पूछा क्या गया है? व्हाट इज आस्क्ड? डेल्टा एच फाइनल इन किलो जूल पर केजी. ये पूछा गया ना.
Yes, sir.
It is asked delta H2, this delta H2 in kilojoule per kg, but here this is in kilojoule. Initial delta H क्या दिया हुआ था?
100.
100 and mass was
20.
100 kg per second.
kilojoule. Kilojoule. Now give me the answer. Delta H final.
218. अच्छा 2000. ठीक सॉरी.
It will be 1582.
82.
This is in kilojoule. अब बताओ. But question is asked in kilojoule per kg. Then what will do?
मास से डिवाइड कर देंगे 20 से आई थिंक.
Yes, divided by mass by 20, you will get in kg per kilojoule per kg.
79.1.
Yes, this is the answer. This type of question will be asked from the thermodynamics.
सर एक बार ना इसको ऊपर से थोड़ा सा रिवाइज कर दीजिएगा ना. तो
Yeah,
सवाल
number.
को कर लेंगे अपन.
Yeah, okay.
हाँ.
First, we are going to a step by step. At least you understand this part now. Air is going, air is outgoing, and whatever the delta H,
हाँ.
whatever the delta H released by the air will be used by the water to increase its temperature.
Temperature.
Yeah. So first find the delta H, means kitna change in enthalpy of water. You can find it by mass is given, C is given, delta T is given. You can find the delta H. Use this delta H This is the change in enthalpy. Delta H of air is equal to delta H initial minus delta H final of air. ये होल है किलो जूल में.
ठीक.
What its value from MC E delta T?
नहीं MCPT.
क्या था? 480 किलोजूल.
हाँ 418.
या 418. एंड यहाँ पे क्या था? 100 into 20.
100
into 20. 100 क्या था? 100 was given in kilojoule
in kg
per kg.
हाँ.
But here it
Per
is in kilojoule. So, and mass is given. What I have told you earlier, मैंने पहले बोला था ना, if only kilojoule will be asked, then mass should be must given. Earlier मैंने बोला था mass must होगा, दिया रहेगा. Mass is given. That's why we use mass here into 20 minus delta H final. This we have to calculate. But this we have to calculate in kilojoule per kg. Here we will get this in only kilojoule. 480, 2000 minus 418 will be delta H final. कितना है? 1582 equal to delta H. But this is in kilojoule. But question is asked in kilojoule per mole. No, kilojoule per kg. What is the mass of air?
20.
20. Then divide 1 by 20. You will get the answer. Kilojoule per kg.
Per kg.